Hello friends, welcome to my channel MySakhi. If you want to enjoy the goodness of vegetables, then try this Gujarati recipe Undhiyu. Undhiyu is one of the famous Gujarati recipe made in winter months. Try this recipe to enhance the taste of your dish in the cold season. So let's start its recipe. So here I am making Undhiyu for total of 6 people. Accordingly, we will take all the vegetables and beans. So I have taken 150 grams of green beans here, like green pigeon peas, butter beans, green gram, valor papdi, surti papdi and green peas. After this we will take 200 grams of vegetables here. We will cut the vegetables into small pieces. So I have taken potato, yam, chimikan which is also called suran, cauliflower, raw banana, small brinjal and green chilies. After this we will take all the spices like 60 grams of finely chopped green garlic, 3 to 4 spoons of green masala made from ground ginger, garlic and green chilies, lemon juice as per taste, salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 medium spoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder and puree of 3 large tomatoes. Then we will take some hot spices like 4 dried red chilies, 2 pieces of cinnamon, 4 cloves, 1 spoon cumin seed, 2 bay leaves and 2 anise flowers. After this we will prepare masala for stuffing brinjal and green chilies. For that we will take 50 grams of roasted peanuts, 30 grams of namkeen gathia which is made from gram flour, 1 spoon of green masala paste, juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon sugar, salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 medium spoon red chili powder and 1 tablespoon white sesame seed. We will grind all this together in the mixture grinder and make a paste. Here the paste of these spices is ready. So now we will stuff brinjal and green chilies with this prepared masala. If you don't have gathia available, then take 30 grams of gram flour and roast it in a non-stick pan on a slow flame for 5 to 7 minutes. So here we have stuffed the masala well in brinjal and green chilies. There is a little more masala left here. We will keep it aside, which we will use later in making the gravy. Now here we will prepare balls made from fenugreek and gram flour, for which we will take 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil, 1 cup coarsely ground wheat flour, 1 cup gram flour, 3 spoons white sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 spoon red chili powder, 1 spoon ground green masala, juice of 1 lemon, salt as per taste, 1 tablespoon sugar and 100 grams of finely chopped fenugreek leaves. We will mix all this well and prepare the dough. Add water here only if it is needed. Otherwise this dough will be prepared only with the mixture of fenugreek and lemon juice. So here a nice dough of all this mixture is ready. Now we will make small round shaped balls from this. So here our balls are also ready. First of all we will deep fry the balls on medium to slow flame. We will fry the balls by continuously turning them so that they get fried properly from all the sides. We will fry them here till they turn light orange. So here the balls have been fried. We will take them out in a separate plate. After this we will fry the stuffed brinjal and green chilies in this oil. We will fry them for about 1 minute while turning them. Once they are fried, we will take them out. And lastly, we will fry the vegetables. We will also fry this for about 5 to 7 minutes until they turn pink. Once the vegetables are fried, we will take them out in a separate plate. Now we will put 200 ml of oil in a pressure cooker. Once the oil is well heated, we will add the whole spices into it. We will cook these spices for a few seconds so that their fragrance gets mixed with the oil. After this, we will put green masala paste and crushed fresh green garlic. We will fry them well for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the spices are roasted well, we will add all the green beans to it. Here we will cook it on a slow flame for 5 to 7 minutes. After cooking the beans on a slow flame for 5 minutes, we will now add dry spices to it. And now add tomato puree. We will mix all this well. Add a small cup of water to it and let the spices to cook properly for 2 to 3 minutes. Here we will also add the remaining stuffing masala, which will make the gravy even more aromatic and tasty. We will cook the spices here by turning them occasionally so that they don't burn. You can also add some water if needed. Oil starts coming out of it once the spices are cooked well. So now we will put fried vegetables, lemon juice, 1½ glass of water and prepared balls. We will mix all this well, and after mixing we will leave the pressure cooker and cook these vegetables till 2 whistles. So after cooking for about 2 whistles, once all the steam comes out of the pressure cooker, we will open it. So you can see that here vegetables and balls have nice texture and the tasty gravy is ready. So now we will take out this gravy in a separate vessel. After taking it out in a separate vessel, we will add fried brinjal and green chilies in it. Now we will again add half a glass of water in it and let it simmer on a slow flame for 2 to 3 minutes. So here our Gujarati special dish Undhiyu is ready. Garnish it with green coriander and serve it with puri or roti. I'm sure you must have liked this recipe. So if you like the recipe, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.